Instead of activating the proportional editing with the button, we can also press O. And now if we select a vertex and press G, more vertices are influenced. And we can also change the influence scale with the mouse wheel. If you want to make a bevel from an edge, you can just press Ctrl and B and move the mouse. And with the mouse wheel, you can also influence the number of lines that will be created. You can change to different select modes with 1, 2 or 3. 1 is for the single vertex select, 2 is for edge select, and 3 is for face select. If you work with unclean modeled meshes or 3D scans, the merge by distance function can be really useful. Here we have two overlapping vertices. Just select both, right mouse button, and then say merge vertices and merge by distance. And here you can see one vertex is removed. Here we have a cube with one deleted face, and what you have to do is just select all vertices around the hole and press F. And now we made a face. Just go to the point where you want it and press Ctrl R to make a new loop cut. And the cool thing is you don't even have to select vertices at first. So go to the point and then you can also change the number of lines with the mouse wheel. If you ever wondered how you can select whole loops, you just have to press Alt and select an edge with the left mouse button. If you want to change specific areas of vertices at once, you can either press C and select them with the left mouse button. You can also change the radius with the mouse wheel, or you could change the select tool with W. One of the most important things you have to know is the X-ray mode. So the problem with the normal view is if you also want to select vertices that are hidden, it's simply not possible. And if you activate it here, you have the ability to look through the object, and so you can select all what you see. Sometimes if you import meshes, the normals are inverted, and that can cause several problems. For example, if you want to make a particle system on it, then it can be that the particles are pointing inside and not outside. And what you can do here is just go to the edit mode, press A to select all, and then Alt N and say normals flip. You can change the distance between the vertices also with the normal scaling function. So just select the vertices, press S, and now with the mouse you can control the distance. Or you could even change it by typing a number, for example 0.1. An easy way to make a triangle fan from a simple face is by just selecting it and press Ctrl F and then say poke faces. The invert function can be pretty useful. For example, if you select the upper face from the cube and now you want to select the complete upper side, and instead of selecting everything, you can just press Ctrl and I, and now the opposite is selected. If you want to select all linked vertices of a mesh, for example, you want to select all vertices of the front of the grade, then just click on a vertice and press Ctrl L. And now all vertices from the front are selected. And you could also delimit it by the material, seam, sharp or UVs. It's very good to know how you can slide vertices or edges along the existing surfaces, because the problem is if you press just G and Y, for example, you can slide it only along the axles. And what you can do here is just press G plus G, and now you can slide it along the surface. One of the most helpful things for modeling is the Orthographic View. It shows the objects without any perspective distortion. For example, here's the normal view, and now here are the buttons for the Orthographic View, and there are also the shortcuts listed. For example, we click on X for the X-axis, and now it is shown without any perspective distortion.